Today's video is on the top 3 best dart sets for beginners. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Lanny darts, metal tip set. Are you looking to level up your dart game? These steel tip darts are designed to give you the perfect balance, control, and accuracy. Whether you prefer 20 grams, 24 grams, or 26 grams, these professional grade darts are just the right weight for precise throwing. They feel great in your hand and provide excellent control, which leads to better accuracy and a higher score. You'll notice your skills improving fast when you play with this set. Durability is key to darts, and this set is built to last. The barrels feature strategically placed knurls and deep grooves, offering great grip points. The aluminum shafts are unbreakable, and O-rings around the threads help prevent them from loosening during play. The smooth flight design ensures consistent accuracy with no drag, and the sharp tips stay firmly stuck to the board without bouncing out. This 12-pack of metal tip darts gives you plenty of options to experiment with. You can create different setups using the 40mm aluminum shafts and slim wings. Plus, you get extra standard wings, O-rings, and tip protectors as backups. They've even included a dart wrench to tighten and loosen the tips and a sharpener to keep them in top shape. Flight protectors help your wings stay in perfect form. If you're searching for a great gift, look no further. These darts and accessories come packed in a durable round tin, making it easy to store and carry around. They're protected from dust and moisture too. Whether you're a beginner, a casual player, or a pro, this set is perfect for any dart lover. It makes a great gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any other special occasion. These metal tip darts are versatile and can be used with sisal or bristle dartboards. Whether you're playing casually at home or participating in tournaments at bars, offices, or clubs, these darts are up to the task. Tap that subscribe button like you're trying to hit the bullseye. Number 2, best overall, IgnatGames professional steel tip darts. Looking to level up your darts game? This metal tip dart set will make a statement. It comes in a sleek case with a magnetic closure that keeps your darts safe and secure. Inside, the custom-made EVA foam lining prevents scratches and ensures you won't lose any darts. Whether you're a seasoned player or just getting into the game, this stylish and practical set is sure to impress, making it an awesome gift for any darts fan. When it comes to precision, these 20-gram professional steel darts deliver. The knurled brass barrels give you a solid grip, helping you aim more accurately. Plus, the sturdy aluminum shafts are built to last. No bending or breaking here. Rubber O-rings keep everything locked in place. To top it off, the set includes a dart sharpener and wrench so you can reshape the steel tips and reduce bounce outs, keeping your game on point. Want to improve your technique? This set is designed to give you more lift and stability with every throw. The Glide XPRO 130 micron flights in both standard and slim shapes are included to help take your game to the next level. And if you're looking for long-lasting quality, you'll love the 10-year warranty when you register your dart set online. Game nights just got a whole lot more exciting. With this professional dart set, you'll also get a free ebook packed with 35 fun ways to play darts. It includes popular games and some you may not have heard of, complete with illustrations and scoreboards to keep things lively. Don't settle for average darts. These brass steel tip darts give you better control, accuracy, and grip, not to mention a smoother finish and more durability compared to iron darts. Number 1, our pick Red Dragon Amberjack series dart set. Looking to up your dart game? Check out this fantastic set of Red Dragon darts that's got everything you need. This set includes 3 23-gram darts made from 90% premium quality tungsten. These darts aren't just about weight and material, they come with Red Dragon stems and hardcore flights, ensuring you get top-notch performance with every throw. What sets these Amberjack darts apart is their striking black and orange design. But they're not just about looks. Amberjacks are available in a range of weights from 21 grams to 30 grams, so you can choose the perfect fit for your style and skill level. The flights are a real highlight. With a 100 micron thickness, they offer ultimate durability and flight stability. Used by many top professionals, this thickness is a favorite among the pros. Plus, their ultra-modern transparent polymer construction ensures superb shaft rigidity and style. Thanks to VRX's advanced technology, these darts blend capability, style, and performance seamlessly. And here's something that stands out: Red Dragon's match weight. Darts are accurate to within 1/10 of a gram. This means every dart you throw will be as precise as the last, giving you consistent performance every time you step up to the Oki. By the way, if you're just starting or want to improve your setup, don't forget to check out our new video on the best dartboards for beginners. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.